they say it is. I'm trying to make sense of this. They always say you're never drawn the circus. Will it really take care of me? Love me like I wanna be. I've heard before this life can leave you empty.
Second shift, Norwegian Gem. Sa Cuba, tapos yun, pinakilala ako sa kanya. Then, yun na, sinimulan ko na magpag-friend muna sa kanya. Hanggang sa paunti-unti.
When you wanna give up now, you gotta keep on going, 'cause your time is rising.
He was courting since I knew him, he was courting from June until August.
Kakulitan ko.
So, makulit. Pagka kulit lang, sunod-sunod, na dili siya moto, basta makulit siya. And then, nakuha lang niya ako sa pagtitiyaga niya.
Makulit ako eh. Sa tiyaga, lagi ko siya pinupuntahan, tinatawagan sa room niya. Siguro yung sinagot niya ako.
I've heard before, don't lose what you believe in. It's hard to see.
Nung after ng jam namin, saan kami nag-meet, nauna ako umuwi, naiwan siya. So, nabistino ako sa ibang barko. Ang ginawa ko, yung tawag. Or pag malapit yung port namin pareha, sinupuntahan niya ako. Yung pagka-sweet niya, mabait, understanding.
Keep on climbing. Your time is rising. You feel it coming now. You feel it falling down. You gotta keep yourself together. You feel it coming now. You feel it falling down. You gotta keep yourself together. You feel it coming now. You feel it falling down. You gotta keep yourself together.
Thank you for being with me, na tinanggap mo ako. Salamat sa lahat na ginawa mo.
Thank you for this moment. I'm so happy to have you in my life. I hope our relationship will last till the end of time.
Kahit mahirap, nakapagod, pero nandiyan ka pa rin. Salamat.
I love you.
Mahal na mahal kita.